IFE's purpose is to deliver research-based solutions to real-world problems.
One of the things that the IFE does a really great job of is really zooming in on the impactful and the relevant parts of research.
I really believe that the work we are doing here at IFE results in a much better future for our environment.
Why did I choose IFE? Well, where else would I do the work that I love doing?
IFE's transdisciplinary research approach is a very deliberative innovation approach.
It's a unique collection of people who want to do advanced research in the environment. And when I say environment, I'm talking about our social environment, our natural environment, our economic environment. Basically, it's a collective of ecosystems, bringing it all together.
Whether it's creative industries, law, education, business, engineering, or others, we all are in one room and we are all sharing perspectives on the same problem, but from a different viewpoint.
At IFE, we have 4 sectorial-facing themes: growing the global bioeconomy, managing for resilient landscapes, developing infrastructure for sustainable communities, and finally, embracing the digital age.
More people die from starvation and malnutrition than AIDS, HIV, heart disease and malaria put together. And that's a terrifying statistic. And so in trying to develop foods that are more nutritious, we're trying to save lives in the developing world.
We have natural landscapes, we have built landscapes, we have managed landscapes, and that means agricultural landscapes. What we're trying to do there is marry these together for society to have a high quality of life.
Cities are becoming home to a lot of different people who have a lot of different needs. So we need to make sure that those cities work for all people and they create lifestyles that enable people to thrive.
It's all about digital age, so this new world in which the way we live, work, think and learn completely changes.
The other kind of focus areas are enabling platforms. And the idea of these platforms is that we develop technology that are relevant for a number of different sectors. So these enabling platforms are manufacturing with advanced materials, intelli-sensing, and finally, how do we transform innovation systems?
We are developing a new material, a better material to characterize polymers better. And this has got a large impact on research, but also on the polymer chemistry industry.
Intelli-sensing is about gaining intelligence from sensing, and is also about sensing intelligently, which means how do we design data infrastructure in order to collect the right data and the right information for the particular problems we're trying to solve.
We look at mathematical tools that we can use to map how these ideas and things flow through the network. We look at tools, digital tools, etc., that ways that we can facilitate how people share ideas and work together.
IFE's research infrastructure is critical for underpinning research excellence undertaken here at QUT. We have the capability to go from lab-scale developments through to commercial pilot-scale developments. We have facilities here on the Gardens Point campus, as well as of a number of distributed sites that link us through to industry as well.
These facilities really enable me or allow me to do the work that I need to do.
I could not do my work without the support of facilities from QUT and IFE.
For us, impact is about creating new knowledge, technology and practices that contribute its benefit through to society, through to culture, through to the environment, as well as the economy.